Alright, enter Sandman, the classic, well-known riff. Surprisingly simple, yet surprisingly awkward if you want to be accurate with it. The way I used to play it was with a very different fingering, like this. After seeing James play it, this is actually how he fingers it. And the reason for this almost unnatural feeling awkward fingering is this allows to have a lot of the strings ringing out throughout the riff. Compared to so there is a difference. This is much more difficult, I'd say. So feel free to switch around that fingering. Now, once you get comfortable with the notes, you can try this authentic fingering. Just remember to press with the very fingertips. So not like this. Actually try to hit the string next to the fret with the very tip of your finger. With the right hand, it's all downstrokes again. Okay, why don't you try it out?